But best, I really do not know, but because I really like this. Yeah, and we are messy.
I'm Kelly.
And I'm Kimberly.
Yeah, and this is an introduction video,
Wow.
which is called Glittered Mess. No, anyways, our video will be like, you know, like
Based on fashion stuff.
beauty covers and vlogs.
Yeah, we will have like we'll do hauls, we'll do outfit of the day, and random walking around in the mall kind of vlogs that we'll be taking you through.
Yeah, and our video quality will be much better because we are using the MacBook now to film this video. So yeah,
And we are at
Scoop's having our supper.
it's some ice cream shop near my house.
Yeah.
We'll link our Twitter and Facebook and my blog and our Instagram below. So if you wanna follow us, you can.